make KFC style coleslaw. So let's make. We need 1 cup of cabbage and half cup of carrots and 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon, and sugar 3 tablespoon, and yogurt 3 tablespoon, and mayonnaise half tablespoon. Sorry, half cup. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And we need 2 tablespoons of milk. So let's start mixing. First, I'm gonna put sugar. It's my favorite. Wow, a lot of yogurt. And I'm gonna put yogurt. Wow. Hey, come out. It's come out. And now I'm gonna put this mayonnaise. I use it for rolls, for everything. Come on, get up. Wow. Pepper. A lot of pepper. And salt. There all the good sauce. And lemon juice and vinegar. Wow. And we need milk. White milk. That is stir. Wow. It looks like a salad already. Now I mix properly. There's no lump in it. Now I'm gonna add cabbage. Now let's add cabbage. Wow! A lot of cabbage. Carrots. Half teaspoon. We need onion. The next one. Now that will stir with again. Wow. So our coleslaw is ready. Capri style coleslaw is ready. Now I'm gonna take this. First I'm gonna put it in the bowl. So delicious. My mouth is watering already. I'm gonna put only 2 spoons. Done. I'm gonna taste it. Is it yummy or not? Too much yummy and delicious. If you want to make the coleslaw, see my video. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon and comment. Bye bye.